Assalamu alaikum to all. I hope you are all perfectly fine. I am a teacher of Darya Arqam School, Ahmedpur campus. So today here we are discuss about Vacation Pack Grade 2 subject English. Little X Big Reward. I have learned that showing responsibility brings me closer to Allah. When Allah loves me, I can be successful in this world and the world hereafter. To make Allah happy, I will pray, say Alhamdulillah, share my toys with others, read and learn short surah, be kind and polite to everyone, help my parents with house. Story number one, Ronald and Reino. First of all, read the story carefully, then answer the questions they are following here. Who are the main character? Do you like the story? Why are you? Why not? What lesson did you learn from the story? First of all, read the question carefully, then write answer in these lines, same as it I write here. Story 2, Morris and Magpie. First of all, read the story carefully and learn the moral carefully and answer these questions they are doing here. Who are the main character? Do you like the story? Why or why not? Why lesson did you learn from the story? First of all, read the questions and then write the answer in this line. Read the following news and answer and the given questions. First of all, read the news carefully and then answer the given question. Who is sending the spaceship to know about Europe? Which moon does NASA want to learn more about? You should write answer in these lines, same as it I write here. Read the passage carefully and answer the given question. First of all, read the passage carefully about ostrich and then answer the following questions. What is an ostrich egg special? How is the ostrich different from birds you see round? What does an ostrich eat? Why is ostrich called a bird? It is can fly. Rewrite these sentences plural form. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Find two adjectives from the passage and use them in the sentence to ostrich ostrich. You should also read the question carefully and then answer these lines properly in these lines. Water clean cut plant right here in these line. Spot the mistake, correct the mistakes in the story below. You should add question mark, add full stop, add comma, correct the spelling mistake. First of all, read the passage and then you should write the answer in this line and in proper lines. Word hunt challenge. Find the given words and circle them in the grid. Bone, nose, globe, rope, home, book. First of all, read the passage and circle them and write in two words from the grid and use them into sentences. Use the word bank to fill in the blanks in the sentences. Write the answers in cross word puzzle. For example, perfume, flute, cube, huge, rules, tunes, tube, cute, across. First of all, read the passage and fill in the blanks. You should write here, same as it right here. Look at the picture carefully and fill the organizer below with short sentence or words to describe what you see. Then write a paragraph about it on the next page. First of all, you see the picture and write title of the picture, write description of the picture, write action of activities, write feeling and emotions. Do you spend too much time on the screen? It is important not to spend too much time on the screen. It can harm us in many times. Pain in eyes, headache, poor sleep, not spending time with family. Answer the given questions, same as it I write here. What is the given below about? It's about milk providing energy for school. You should also write these answers, same as it right here. It is a busy day. Ahmed is doing a lot of work in his garden. Find out 5 tasks he is doing and use them in your sentence. Use the given verb in present continuous. Paint. Look at the picture. Build sentence with the help of given word bank. For example, holding boy, they, is toy, a. In my Suitcase. Choose one of the given places to visit. Act like you are going there on a holiday. Write a list of all things that you will need to take. You should carry on yourself and write what will you take with you in your suitcase. Write in these lines. The dog loves to play all day. Complete the given words by writing the missing letters. Write four things you can see in the picture of the kitchen and write about them in sentence of your own. First of all, you see picture carefully and then four things you can see in the picture you write here in these lines.